Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back and thanks for joining me. So tonight I'm going to do just a quick pour. This is on a 10 by 10 canvas. I've been pretty busy working on a bunch of pieces for my upcoming show this weekend. Yeah, today is Sunday night. It's Sunday night and I have been working like crazy, finishing off pieces. If you've been following me on Instagram or on Facebook, you will have seen I have been very busy making a ridiculous amount of coasters for the show. So I've been busy working on that, and I've been making these really cool rounds. I'll try and show them. Actually, I'll try to show them to you later. If I remember, when I bring you guys down for a close-up, I'll show you what I've been working on. But I've been doing a bunch of stuff. So that has been keeping me busy. And because that's been keeping me busy, I am very limited to the amount of space I have for drying stuff. So I haven't been able to do a lot of videos, especially you know, big canvases that I like to do, because right now I just don't have anywhere to put them to dry because I just have so much going on. So the show is this upcoming weekend. For those of you who live near me or around me, or you know, want to make a little bit of a drive, it's a great arts and crafts show. It's at the Nottawasaga Inn in Alliston, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I'll put the link in the description below. That way you guys can see where it is. And if you want to come and say hello, that would be super cool. If you want to come by and say hi and maybe buy a piece of art or a coaster or something. So that would be neat. I'll show you what else I've been working on. So for those of you watching and are new, I just put down a white base. I have it here stored in my bottles. It's Artist's Loft Acrylic Flow White with Floetrol and some water. If you want to know my mixtures on my ratios, check out video number 63. It'll come up here on the top. Click on that link and it'll tell you how I mix everything, and I put them in these really convenient squeeze bottles. I finally got to finish my magnets. Look at this. How cool is that? How exciting. So these are magnets that I made with the skins, paint skins that dried on this awesome Loli Veffy mat, my silicone mat. I love this thing. It's the greatest thing ever. It peels off some really awesome skins, and I made some really cool magnets. If you want to see how I made the magnets, I will post again up here the link for the video. I think it's about 3 or 4 videos back, so you can't miss it. But and this thing, this is the coolest thing. I bought that off Amazon. I will try and put it in my Amazon shop if I remember. I will. It's just a matter of time. Just be patient with me. But I bought this thing off Amazon, and it is, look at the back. So it's upside down, but you can hang it, right? So it's kind of like a cork board, but not cork. It's metal. But it is so neat for putting your magnets on and displaying them if you're going to a show or, you know, that kind of thing. But how cool is this thing? I love it. And it was only, I think, okay, so Canada Amazon, I think it was 15, 16 bucks, something like that. So I'm sure the US Amazon site has a much better deal, but super, super cool. Look at my magnets. They are so wicked. So yeah, I'll be selling these at the show. So if you want to get your hands on a magnet, come and see me at the show. Okay, so tonight's colors that I'm going to use, I thought I'd do a little pastel-y. Thought I'd go a little pastel. So I have Bright Aqua Green by Liquitex Basics. I have Brilliant Blue by Liquitex Basics. And then I have Brilliant Purple by Liquitex Basics. And then I have Rose Pink by Liquitex Basics. So just 4 simple pastel type colors. And then the other thing I'm going to do is, for the first time, I'm going to try Dutch pour, but not flood it with white. It was a suggestion from one of my viewers. I believe, oh my gosh, don't kill me. I think her name was Terry. Pretty sure it was. Yep. And so she suggested, why don't you try Dutch pour and not flood it and just blow it and see what happens? So that's what I'm going to do. So let's go and do that. So I don't know how it's going to look, but I figured I would practice on a smaller canvas. And again, like I said, I don't really have the space for a big canvas to dry right now. So we'll have to go with a small one. Now, I guess because I'm not flooding it with white, I would assume I should add extra color, and we'll see what happens. So, all right, let's go with the purple. These are really soft colors. They remind me of like a baby's room, nursery type colors, light pink, light purples, that kind of stuff. All right, so I would have liked the lighter blue, but I didn't have one already pre-mixed in one of my squeeze bottles, and yep, that's me, too lazy to make paint. So I'm gonna go with the brilliant blue. And finally, the aqua. It's so weird that I'm not gonna flood that, but I'm not, because I said I wasn't, so I'm not going to. All right, I'll pop the bubbles, and I don't know, let's blow it and see what happens. I'm kind of worried, but let's see. Oh well. Oh my god, that looks horrible. I don't think it's horrible because I didn't flood it with white. I think it's horrible because of the colors. Yeah, that looks really bad. I don't like it at all. It looks really bad. But again, I don't know if it's the color choices. Yeah, you know what's gonna happen, right? Where's my scraper? Where's my scraper? All right, I'm here. Let me bring it up because I don't want to look at it. It's horrendous. It's just so not gonna work. I hope I have enough white. I should have enough white. All right. Boop. Look at that. Another great thing, when you get the low-leaf Effie mats, you get this awesome scraper. It's so nice to use when you want to scrape a canvas. Look at that. It's like perfect. I love it. Okay. I'm going to try that again, and I'm going to flood it with white. And I'm going to see if it really did make a difference, or if it's really just the colors I chose are really crappy colors. So, just enough white. Perfect. All right. I'm out of white. Well, at least in there. And I just cleaned it, but we're going to use it again. And this awesome silicone mat you can also find on my in my Amazon shops. The links are listed below. This thing is fantastic for spreading paint. It's unbelievable. Very, very convenient tool to have. And if you find it on my Amazon shop, it's the large size, not the mini spatula, the large one. All right, let's pop these bubbles. Okay, and try this again. All right, so I'm going to try it again, and we'll see what happens this time. Because I really, honestly, I don't know if it's just really crappy colors or if the white really does make a difference. We're about to find out. So let's see. I mean, they're really pretty colors. I really do like these colors. So let's see what happens. Whoops. All right, so while I'm doing this, a lot of people love seeing Juno at the end of my videos. I will do my best to continue putting videos of Juno at the end of my videos. But a few people have said to me, oh, Juno's so cute, he needs his own YouTube channel. Guys, he already has one. He does have a YouTube channel. I try my best to, upload videos there when I can. But he does have a YouTube channel. So for those of you who want to follow Juno and check out videos of Juno, you can do so on his YouTube channel. So I will put the link of his YouTube channel below, and I would love it if you subscribed. I think it would be absolutely awesome if you subscribe to his channel, and then you could see videos of Juno there. All right, so let's all right, so I've blown the white over. Now let's see if this makes a difference. It does make a difference. It's so hard for me to blow a small canvas now because I'm so used to the big canvases and I just have so much time and so much space to blow. But it really does make a difference because this looks a lot better, to me at least. Looks way better. So I think it is necessary to flood it with white. After all, that's why it is called the Dutch pour. So yeah, I tried it as per a recommendation, like I said, from one of my viewers. But this one turned out pretty good. I think it's the pink that's throwing me off here a little bit. I'm just messing with it now. I don't know. I'm not 100% on it, but I do like the turquoise. It's so soft. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys down because I don't want this video to be a really long one. So that's what it looks like. Let me know what you think. I'm not sure about it. I'm gonna have to ponder that. So we'll see. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a new video. So check that out. Check out my links below. Like I said, if you want to get the magnet board, it's on the Amazon shop links. I have my Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Follow me there as well. And my PayPal link for anyone who would like to donate. I would really appreciate it. A huge thank you to Donna for your lovely donation. I cannot thank you enough. You are very kind and generous. So thank you very much. Yeah, and don't forget to check out Juno's YouTube channel and follow him there, guys. It'd be really cool. And let me show you what I've been up to. So I've been working away. I got a ton of coasters ready. I think there's like, what, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 coasters there. Then I have more drying that need a coat of resin. And then I've been working on these really cute, well, that's a lot of light there. There we go. Rounds. These are little 7-inch rounds. So I've been really working on the Shelly art technique. I did purchase the course, and I've been having a blast doing these things. It's so much fun. But yeah, I've got a bunch of rounds, and then there is my fire and ice. She's dry. So, oh, that's heavy with one hand. Yeah, that's heavy. And then I've got a bunch of stuff here. I just got stuff everywhere, guys. Like, so, oh, I'm stuck. So this is the piece I did the other day. She's dry. Look at that copper shimmer in there. So that turned out really nice too. So this needs a coat of resin as well. So that's it. Little show and tell. And I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's video. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. And don't forget to come out and see me at the show this weekend, the 9th and 10th. 9 to 5 on Saturday and 9 to 4 on Sunday. Okay, that's it for now. Good night, guys. We'll see you again soon. Bye. You like the vacuum? What? Here. Come on. Let me vacuum you up. Mm. Come here. Oh. What about your tail? Oh, I got your tongue! Do you know? No, you silly. Here. What? You like it? You like it? You like it? No, that's no good. Let's get your hair though. Huh? Get your hair? Ah. Do you know? Can you sit? Can you sit? Come on, sit for Mama. Sit. Sit. That's a good boy. Here. There you go. See, it feels nice. Good boy. Okay, are we done? We done? Okay, say bye. Say bye.